Mark the words in Lumi application or H5P editor instructs the learner to mark the words as by the instruction or the creator of the quiz. So to start making mark the words, click the H5P start button. Then wait. Then from this interface, click the plus that contain H5P file. Then in the search for content types, type mark the word. So after typing the word mark, hahanapin niya yung laro or application na may nakadugtong na mark. So this one, mark the words. So may nakalagay to use for searching reports and copyright information. So let us have here all about verbs, or pwede rin naman na where are all the verbs. Okay. So click on all the verbs in the text that follows. Pwede natin, yun pa rin ang ating magiging instruction. Click all the verbs that you can see. Okay. Lagyan po natin ng highlight po natin, gawin natin bold, then this will be my heading 2. Okay? So dito sa text field may nakalagay na this is an answer. The answer should be enclosed with with stars, or ito siya asterisk. Okay? Katulad ng ganito. So I'm going to paste here the sentences or paragraph that I want the students to mark the words. Okay, so may nahanap na po ako sa internet. So ito siya. I'm going to copy this one. Copy. Balik ako doon sa Lumi. And I'm going to paste the sentence. So highlight ko siya. Normal lang ba? Ayan, normal lang siya. Gawin ko siyang bold. So saan dito yung verb? For example, ang verb is, babasahin ko, the sun shines brightly in the sky, and the birds sing their cheerful melodies. A gentle breeze blows through the trees, bringing a refreshing coolness to the air. So shine is a verb, so lalagyan ko siya ng asterisk. Okay? Asterisk. Ang asterisk po ay nasa ibabaw ng number 8 na button ng ating keyboard. Okay, sing. Yan siya. Pasensya na po sa aming aso. Okay, blues. Then, the last word or the last verb is bringing. Okay. The text field is required and must have value. So may nakalagay dito, school range, feedback for defined score range. Hindi ko na po papakialaman ito. Tingnan po natin sa ating behavioral setting. I'm going to uncheck and enable the retry because I will be asking my student to answer one. So kailangan pag-isipan po talaga nila yung sagot. Then enable show solution button. Then I want my student to know their score. Okay? Titingnan po natin. Let us view. Ito po ang kakalabasan ng mark the words. Click all the birds that you can see. The sun shines brightly in the sky and the birds sing their cheerful melodies. May lalabas po na box for every word or letter. A gentle breeze blows through the trees, bringing a refreshing coolness to the air. So let us say, sasagutin ko po siya. Sun Let's say sing, then blows, then bringing. So what is my score? I'm going to click this check button. Ayan, mali ako ng dalawa. Ang tamang sagot is, yan siya, dapat ito shine. So bakit ganun? 2 ang aking score. So ano yung solution? Okay. Minus 2 lang aking sagot sa 4 na tamang sagot. So yun pa rin po, you are going to click file, send and save this game for your students to answer in the future. So where are all the birds? I'm going to save. So that's it for the Mark the Words Lumi application.